D&D email pauses your Gmail inbox, keeps it empty, allows you to focus on your important deep work and your real to-do list, not your inbox. It features advanced schedules that allow you to set a unique pausing schedule for each day of the week, plus unlimited numbers of times to actually fetch your email. D&D email also features whitelists that allow you to whitelist senders and labels so that those emails are never paused. Here's a brief tutorial about how to get started using D&D email. From the dndemail.com website, click Sign Up. If you haven't already, you'll be directed through the Google sign-in process. Here I already have, and you can see I've already got a basic schedule set. In my schedule, I have one schedule for weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's enabled. I start it every day at at midnight, but I never turn it off. So in reality, it runs all day. And my email is fetched and actually delivered to my inbox at 8 a.m., at noon, at 4 p.m., and 5:30 p.m. On the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, I run the D&D email at all times with no fetching because I don't want to see my emails at all until Monday morning. Changing this is simple. For example, I could say I would like to turn off the D&D email at 1 p.m. and set a fetch time of 10 a.m. and then I simply save. And I can see after I use one fetch box, more fetch boxes are added. Just saving adds you more fetch boxes. In this situation, I'm going to go back to my original schedule and save. I could also choose to add another schedule to the bottom here. And now let's say on Tuesdays, I wanted to add an additional fetch time of, let's say, 10 a.m. because I wanted to check my email right before an important meeting that I have scheduled every Tuesday at 10:30. I can do that and save. Don't forget to enable the rule. The enable button is there so that you can have multiple rules and you could turn them on or off without actually having to delete them and remember them. At the top, I also have the choice of turning the D&D app on or off manually. If you have a schedule set, then if you've turned it off, it will turn back on at the next scheduled turn on time and vice versa. Also, I can fetch my email manually by clicking the fetch email box. Scrolling down, two ways to do whitelists. I can add specific senders to my whitelists. And here I have personal contacts plus the error notifications for this app. Emails from any of these email addresses will deliver straight to my inbox at all times. And also, I can set particular labels to be delivered directly to my inbox at any time. I don't have any of those set right now. I can always go to my account section, see my plan, and there's a help area as well. Thank you.